having lunch. Making corn on the cob, baked potato, and cooking a pork chop. And we're gonna go kayaking. Hanging dog, as you see, it's very shallow this time of year, and it's probably going to get even more shallower as it starts raining. Water's usually all the way up to the banks by the trees, and it is really shallow, and there is nobody here. Well, I saw one boat trailer, and there's some people way back in the woods. That's it. Very nice and quiet. So I'm going to eat lunch, and then I'm going to go kayaking. Lunchtime. Okay, lunchtime, pork chop. Got my iced tea, and read commentary. Lunchtime. Hanging dog. This looks like somebody just showing up. And it is a much cooler day today than it has been all through September. So hopefully it'll last a little bit longer. It's a nice cool day. Not as sunny, not as hot. Probably in the high 70s right now. Other than the 90s from this heat wave that we've been having all month long. And you hear some crows in the trees making a racket out there. There you go, there's one crow. There they go. And back when you're in that corner around that bend, crows making a racket. Okay, so I had lunch. Now I'm going to go get the kayak. I get the kayak down by the rocks there. And I'm going to go kayaking. Hanging dog. So let's go kayaking. Okay, so we're going down to the rock over there to get the kayak and go kayaking. You got to go down off this rock, off this cliff, into the cove to the kayak. And onto the beach. And the water during the summertime is all the way up here, but it's all dry now. And all these rocks are all submerged in the summertime, but they do the draining, and because it's been so dry here, it hasn't rained in a while, which is creating the heat wave. It's been sunny. Today is like a bit cloudy, but no rain forecast. A very little chance. So that's why the water's so shallow. Not to mention they drain it at the U.S.A. Dam, about 10 miles up that way. And Murphy is down over here, right by Ramsey Bend. So I'm going to get the kayak. Just gotta watch my step. Oh, look, a boat! Somebody's coming! The hanging dog on a boat. This looks like the ranger. No, it's just a guy on a boat. So we're going to go kayaking.